Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about ghost paper jams in printer part 1. Ghost jamming sadly isn't some sort of spooky musical genre, some sort of spooky musical genre. Instead, it happens when a printer reports that it has a paper jam, but upon investigation you can't find one, while a technician can fix some causes of ghost jamming. The most common reason is teeny shards of paper or other device of paper or other debris struck between the rollers. Struck between the rollers. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.